In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to start from zero and start making money online using Redbubble. A lot of people subscribed to this channel have already used these methods to start to get sales, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about exactly how that works. And Adair, in his first paycheck, made. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new to this channel, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can actually make money online. For anyone that's new to the channel, if you don't want to miss out on any information that could potentially help you to make some extra cash, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I do post a video. And it gets better, I also have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. And just to throw it in there for anyone who might be looking to take this a bit more seriously, I have a paid step-by-step course that's also linked down in the description. Okay, with that said, getting straight into this video, if you do get any value from this at all, a like rating is very much appreciated. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about how you guys can start from nothing, so literally $0 or £0 or zero whatever currency you use in your country, and through using the platform I'll be talking about today, Redbubble, actually go from a point of nothing to actually making money online. Now before I break it down for you guys, I'm going to show you examples. Now this is something that I've done myself quite a few times. If you're interested in my story, I'll link some videos down in the description that will show you guys how I got started and pretty much where my success started. It's one thing me doing it and one thing actually showing people how to do it and then them going out and doing it. So on the screen now, I'm going to show you a screenshot I took from my Facebook group. If you're not in the Facebook group, the link will be down in the description. Now this is from Nadir. I'm just going to read what he said here, then we'll also show you how much he made before we actually go and break down how this all works. Now he wrote, "I'm so grateful and happy to get my first paycheck from Redbubble. Many more to go. I can't be thankful enough to all you guys keeping me motivated and inspired. And a very special thanks to Phil. Don't have to thank me, man. You're the one that applied the work." But anyways, he continues to say, "Thank you to me for introducing him to the platform and inspiring him to take action. He can't wait to scale this. Hashtag manifest success. Hashtag rigged in my favor." Nadir already knows how it is. At the end of the day, everything is rigged in your favor if you allow it to be. And it's very important to have some sort of vision of what you're trying to do. And I portray that through manifesting success. That is one example of someone who applied the information, and Adair in his first paycheck made $297.15 from zero. So he did this from nothing. Now since Nadir posted this, a lot more people have popped up on the group getting their first sales, and on the screen now I'm just going to overlay some of those sales so you can see how many people from watching these videos, from applying the information that I'm going to be talking about, has started getting sales. And if all of these people can do it, you can do it as well. So you're going to want to pay close attention as I actually break down how you guys can do this too. Okay, so getting straight into this, the first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't already at this point, is to create a Redbubble account. Now I understand a lot of you guys that watch my video have a Redbubble account, so the first step is already checked off. And after creating the account, kind of linked with the first step, you want to then optimize the account. Now you can do this by creating custom messages for buyers, by uploading your first design, so you can actually set a template you can just copy and paste, so you're not having to resize all your designs, and by also linking your account to Google Analytics so you can actually check where your traffic is coming from. Now if you don't know how to do any of these things, not to worry, I'll have videos linked down in the description for all the points I'm going to talk about. Now after you've got the basics done, that also includes editing a banner, profile picture, stuff like that. You then want to create a scalable template that's going to make it easier for yourself to actually create a lot of designs in a short space of time. And don't worry, I'll go into explain exactly why you need to do that. There's a lot of different variations of scalable templates you guys can create. Once again, I've made a video where I actually talk about a scalable template in a niche that's very small, so you can check that out also down in the description. But yes, after this point, once you've gone through the first two steps, so now the account is created, it's optimized, you've got your scalable template ready, you then want to go out there and find designs. Now a lot of people struggle with finding what to create, especially if they're coming across Redbubble for the first time, or if they are being introduced to Redbubble as well. A lot of people don't know what to do and how to get ideas. Now the simplest and quickest way is the Redbubble A to Z method. Now, I've coded the A to Z method, but all it is finding trending niches through the Redbubble search bar. Once again, there'll be a video that can walk you through how to do this down in the description. But yes, using this method, you want to create a design for every single letter. So when you go on that search bar and you put A, it will show you 3 trending items, and you want to go through every letter and create designs for that. Now, there's a site that makes it a lot easier to see the 3 letters that are trending for each letter on one page, and I'll link that site for you guys down in the description. And as you're going through every single letter trying to create designs, that scalable template that you came up with, you want to do your best to implement it to all these trends and niches that you're finding. And as for the most part with scalable templates, you're only changing 1 word or 2 words. You'll be able to do this fairly quickly and create a lot of designs in a short space of time. And you want to rinse and repeat this A to Z method every single day for a week. Now, it sounds crazy, but it's doable. Once again, this is stuff that I did, and I know a lot of you might be wondering, after I've gone through all the letters, won't I run out of letters or ideas to use? Well, no, because when you're using the A to Z method, once you've found everything you can find for A, you can then look for AB and see what comes under AB. I made a big video actually talking about how you can get found in big niches, and that describes that method perfectly. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely give it a watch. And yes, like I said, you want to do this every day. By every day, I mean 7 days in a week. And your aim is to reach anywhere from 100 to 200 plus designs. Now, the only reason I'm saying that amount of designs is because with a scalable template, it'll be easy to create designs, even if you have 30 minutes to an hour spare a day, which most people have. If you stay consistent throughout the week, just keeping up with what's trending in terms of niches on Redbubble, get to that amount of designs in no time. And quick side note, the main reason I tell people to focus on trends is because when you're starting out on Redbubble, your shop does not have any traction. So Redbubble have no reason to push your products to people that might be interested. So the idea of using trends, it allows your page to get more traction. Once you start getting sales, Redbubble then see you as a reputable seller, they push you to more people, you start gaining more traction, you start getting more sales. And if you then want to move away from trends after that, you can do and focus on whichever niches you're interested in. But yeah, bringing it back, if you do everything that I've spoke about to this point and you're still seeing that there is no sales at all, this is where you'd want to go back to Google Analytics, which was mentioned in the first step. And Google Analytics will allow you to see which of your designs are getting the most traffic. The designs that then get the most traffic, you want to create multiple versions of them, whether that's in different styles, different colors. And once again, if you stay consistent, the sales will come. Now, at the end of the day, it's like anything in life. If you try it first and you don't succeed, try again, but you're not just trying blindly. The great thing about using this method is that you have statistics that allow you to refine what you're already doing, so the chances of it working are increased. And this leads me to a question, guys. I'm thinking of turning this into a series. For example, in this video, I've spoke about Redbubble, how it can make you money, and if I was making a part 2 to this, I'll then be showing you how you can use some of the money you make from Redbubble to use on another platform, whether that be Etsy, whether that be through buying and selling. And once again, all these things I have personally done myself, so I'll be speaking from experience. If you do want to see that, make sure to drop a like on this video. If this video can hit 200 likes, I'll turn this into a series for you. Comment down in the comment section, rigged in my favor, because at the end of the day, everything is rigged in your favor, guys, and manifest success.